Another handy shortcut for working with assemblies is the tab key. Maybe I don't want to see some of these components right now. Just place my cursor over one and hit the tab key on component. Hide a component. Tab. And it hides the component. I just hit the tab, hide it, and then if I put the cursor back over where it was supposed to be, I do a shift tab, and it brings them back. Again, hiding components, just hover over it with your cursor, hit shift, and they'll be hidden away. You can then hit hover over it if you remember where it was, and or get close to it, and do a shift tab, and it will bring them back. Now, if you can't remember where they were, if I say I hit a whole bunch of things and I didn't remember which ones I hid, I can then do the Control, Shift, and Tab at the same time. I hold them down, and if I can hold all three keys at the same time, and I can click on which ones I want to bring back to the display. So I'm holding Shift and Tab down at the same time, and then clicking with my other hand on these. This one takes a little bit of agility, but it will bring them back. And so, quick ways to hide and move things. So again, remember Tab, and bring them back with Shift Tab, or Control Shift Tab to display everything and pick the ones you want to show.